This week has seen some jaw-dropping scenes out of Indonesia, where Mount Ruang is putting on quite a dramatic show. Just picture this: huge plumes of ash shooting up nearly 70,000 feet into the sky. That's more than twice the height at which planes usually fly. If you think that's high, imagine the ash possibly reaching into the stratosphere, which is the second layer of the atmosphere.
Mount Ruang, located in the Sangihe Islands of North Sulawesi, erupted spectacularly on Wednesday evening. This wasn't just a one-off. The mountain has erupted 3 times this week alone. Because of these eruptions, hundreds have had to evacuate, and areas like Langpate High Village are dealing with falling ash and communication problems. The Indonesian authorities are on high alert, with the National Disaster Management Agency rating the situation a level 3 hazard, just one step away from the most severe. They've advised everyone to stay at least 2.5 miles away from the volcano. Safety first, folks. The dramatic nature of this eruption doesn't stop at the visual spectacle. The Volcanic Ash Advisory Center in Darwin has been closely monitoring 2 layers of volcanic ash. The complexity of this situation can't be understated. The ash isn't just a hazard on the ground. It poses serious risks to aviation because it can't be detected by radar. And there's more. This eruption is electric, literally. The volcano has produced a staggering amount of volcanic lightning, a phenomenon caused by the friction of ash particles in the air. Reports indicate nearly 4,000 lightning strikes were associated with this eruption. That's not just a light show. It's a power display of nature's force. Why the lightning? Well, as the volcanic plume shot up, it hit the tropopause, essentially the ceiling of the lower atmosphere. While some of the ash might have pushed into the stratosphere, the air in some areas sank back down, creating less activity and what looked like a bullseye pattern of lightning strikes. It's a fascinating dynamic to see. This eruption is significant not only for its immediate impact, but also for its potential effects on the climate. When volcanic aerosols enter the stratosphere, they can influence the climate. Though it's still too early to say what impact, if any, Ruang's eruptions will have long-term. Mount Ruang stands proudly at 10,932 feet, with a caldera about 2 miles wide. Eruptions here are not uncommon, but the magnitude of this week's events is truly exceptional. For now, we'll keep watching this developing story as Ruang continues to remind us of the incredible power lying just beneath Earth's surface.